Whoa, hold up. Wait a minute. This thing looks awesome. Okay, let's test this out. What? Look at this charger. It's magnetic. Oh, that's awesome. So you can charge it with a USB port, and you can use pretty much any USB port. So it lights up red, orange as it's charging, and once it's charged, it'll be green. I must say, this looks really nice. They did a fantastic job on the color of it and the sleekness of it. You can also charge with the Type-C as well if you want. Laser button on the side. On the wheel you have your different knobs, different settings. Nice little clip. Alright, let's test this out. Alright, let's try the laser. Whoa. Oh my word. That's our garage out there. Whoa, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look in the trees. Oh my word, this is even way far up in those trees. Alright, start right here so you can follow it. Look at this. Look at those trees way up there. Oh my goodness. No way. Guys, look, it's right here. These trees over here are super far. Watch this. These trees are like extremely far. Look. Oh my goodness. Alright, so there's different modes on here. We're going to open up the one mode here. So that's UV. Here we go. So this mode is more of a wide angle mode. And as you can see a massive wide area up in the trees. So that's pretty awesome. If we switch over to here, this is more of a spotlight. Let's make sure we have the brightness on. You can make it super bright or dim. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the high. And this is more like a flashlight. So this you're gonna have more of a direct focal so you can see trees pretty far out. But for this little thing, like, this is impressive. I think you guys are gonna really love this as a flashlight. Very impressive. It's highlight stuff, which is awesome. So that's cool. You can do a lot of things with UV lights. Look at this room. Look at all this. Super, super cool. Look at this. Dark UV light. Very cool. Very, very cool.